Hello and welcome to PreCalc. Today is Tuesday, September the 8th. We're going to write that at the top of our page. And our topic for today is perpendicular slopes. We've already looked at this a little bit earlier in the year, but it's super important and I want to make sure we're really able to solidify that. Great. A reminder about perpendicular slopes. Perpendicular slopes are negative reciprocals of one another. Let's break down these two words. When it says negative, what it really means is multiply by -1. And reciprocal is the inverse of a fraction. It's when you switch the numerator and denominator. All right. We're going to do some really quick examples just converting perpendicular slopes. So we'll write example 1. I tell you that the slope is 2/3. The negative reciprocal is -3/2. If we have a slope of 1/4, the negative reciprocal is -4/1, or just -4. Do one last one. If I tell you the slope is 7, let's do -7. If I tell you the slope is -7, -1 times -7 is positive now. We can think of this as 7/1. So we have +1/7. Pause whenever you need. All right, so here is really where all this is going. We're going to call this example 2. You should pause here and write out the entire original problem. Your notes are a lot more meaningful when you can look at them and see the original problem. Okay, find the equation of the line passing through -3, 4 and is perpendicular to the line whose equation is this. Okay, a lot going on here. First thing we want to do is remind ourselves what point slope form is. Our point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is slope and x1 and y1 are points. So here's my x1, here's my y1. So telling us we need to find a line that goes through this point and has a slope perpendicular to this line. So our first step is going to be to find the perpendicular slope. But to find the perpendicular slope, I need to know what our original slope is in the first place. So I'm going to rewrite this line here, and we're going to rearrange it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to take away 4x. So I've got -3y is -4x. That 7 was positive, so we write plus 7. Now I'm going to divide both sides by -3, so we can get that y by itself. So y equals -4 over -3, positive 4/3, because we have double negative, and then minus 7 over 3. So it wants us to find the slope perpendicular to 4/3. So let's do that over here. We're going to say perpendicular slope So my original was 4/3. My perpendicular is negative 3/4. So this is our first part. We found the perpendicular slope. They're going to give you a line. You need to find that line's slope. That's here in green. Then our new slope is going to be the one that is perpendicular to the given line. All right, so we have our point, negative 3/4, x1 is negative 3, y1 is 4, and we found the perpendicular slope is negative 3/4. Great. Now all we need to do is plug into the point slope. I'm going to rewrite our point slope formula, and then we'll plug in. Y minus 4 equals negative 3/4 x minus negative 3. We're going to get a lot of double negatives on this kind of problem. Just move slow and be careful. Okay, so, and we can leave our answer in point slope. We just want to simplify the double negative. So my final answer is y minus 4 equals negative 3/4 x plus 3. All right, guys, that's everything for today. Thanks.